So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about Geeky Ants Off Campus Drive 2021 or Geeky Ants Recruitment Drive 2021. So before discussing further, first of all, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates or the off-campus updates like this. And also recently we have uploaded 3 different videos regarding Deloitte, Cognizant and the Intel off-campus drive. So if you want to apply for the job roles, or if you want to know more about the eligibility, the job profile and the application process or the selection process, you can watch our previous videos. So I'll be putting the links of our previous videos in the description of this video, so that you'll be able to watch our videos and apply before the job role gets expired. So the minimum salary or the package for these companies, it's starting from 4.6 to 6 LPA minimum. So I'm requesting all of you to apply for the job roles because these are very good companies or big MNC companies. So I'm requesting all of you to apply for the job roles before the job roles get expired. So please watch our previous videos first of all. So now let's discuss about the job profile. Then we'll be discussing about the application process or the selection process. So one by one we'll be discussing. So please watch this video till the end for more details. So the job profile, they are hiring for software engineer and job category is the engineering, and location they are hiring for Bangalore only, and salary will be getting 6,50,000 per annum or per year. Then experience required is freshers only, and qualification required is BE, BTech, ME, MTech or MCA. Then batch, only the 2020 and 2021 year of pass out candidates or the batch candidates are eligible. Other batch candidates are not eligible for this job role, unfortunately. Then branch, any branch candidates are applicable or eligible for this job role. For MTech candidates, only the computer science or IT background candidates are eligible. For BE, BTech or ME, MCA, all branch candidates are eligible for this job role or for this off campus. Then last date to apply for this job role is 28th January 2021. So before 29th January 2021, you need to apply for this job role if you are interested. Then drive date or the written test date is 30th January 2021. So basically there will be 3 selection process or the hiring process. First of all, there will be a written test, then followed by the technical and HR test. So the drive location is online or virtual. From your home itself, you can attend for this drive or off campus if you are interested or if you are eligible. No need to visit Bangalore office. From your home itself, you can attend due to this COVID-19 situation or issue. So now let's discuss about the basic requirements or the other skills you must be having in order to apply for this job role. So you must be having good academic career or record. That means minimum 60% criteria it is. Then intermediate up to extra expert level skills of HTML or CSS is must or mandatory. No beginner level is allowed. You must be having intermediate or expert level skills in HTML or CSS. JavaScript with React or React Native. Any database with an understanding of relations. That means relational database, etc. Any database. Oracle, MongoDB, etc. SQL, etc. So if you have used React in past or means any past experience or in project work and understanding of app store management with hooks or Redux or Mobex is big plus or advantage. So these are the basic requirements. So other skills like Python, C or Java, etc. if you know, it's better, but you must be knowing HTML or CSS, JavaScript with React or the React.js. These are the basic required skills here for this job profile. So if you are interested or if you are eligible for this job role, then you can apply for this job role in the eLitmus portal through this email eLitmus portal. So after seeing this eLitmus, you might be thinking this is only for the candidates those who having good PH score or the eLitmus score. No, it is not like that. It is common for everyone irrespective of their PH score. So first of all, you must be having an account in eLitmus portal. So I guess most of the candidates has the eLitmus account. So if you don't have any account, first of all you need to register yourself first. So I have not logged in into my account, so that's why it is asking for login to apply. First of all, I need to log in, then only I'll be able to apply for this job role. So below you can check the details by yourself. All these things is not required here. So if you see here, good PS score is mentioned, but it is not mandatory. They just simply they have written or they have mentioned. But as per my experience or as per our experience, all are eligible. If you don't have any PS score, still you will be receiving the admit card or test invitation link. So I am 100% sure. So now one important thing is, so for 2021 batch candidates or the pass out candidates would be initially have to join as an intern position immediately. Stipend you would be getting 17,500 per month. So basically the intern position or the intensive or the training would be maximum up to 6 months, not more than 6 months. So after 6 months you will become the permanent employee and salary will be getting 6.5 LPA. For 2020 year pass out or the batch candidates, you will be joining directly as the full-time employment at the above mentioned CTC. For 2021 batch candidates, firstly they have to join as a intern, software engineer intern first of all. So this is all about this off campus and the application process. So I hope you get a clear idea about this off campus. So if you have any doubts regarding this off campus or application process or any other thing, let us know through by commenting your doubts in the comment section below, so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.